Easy guide on how to accessorize for beginners. Hello everyone, I hope you're all well. If you are in Australia, I hope you are enjoying a little bit of sunshine after the pretty wet couple of weeks we've had. I had a lot of you asking me to do a video on accessories, and because it happens to be one of my favorite topics, I immediately jumped in. So today I'm sharing some of my favorite pieces with you and how I normally style them. Normally when we love what somebody is wearing, great chances are that it's how they style that we love. Accessorizing is a great way to express your personality and show to the world who you are. So if you haven't considered accessorizing it, you're missing out on one of the most valuable styling tools. I have to admit that it can be intimidating though, but once you master the art of accessorizing, it takes no time to do so. And I hope the ideas that I'm going to be sharing with you today are really easy to replicate. The key is having the right pieces though. Finding these pieces can take some time, but it's so worth it. Because accessories can do so much for your outfit. It can really bring it all together. It can polish it. Accessories are one of the smartest things to do because it costs less than the entire outfit and it completely changes it. A portion of this video is kindly sponsored by VIVAIA, a footwear and apparel that are eco-friendly and sustainable. This is the second time that I have the pleasure to work with them. I love their mission and how comfortable yet stylish their products are, not to mention the price point, which is pretty fair for the quality. The shoes I'm wearing today are from their current collection, and I also have a nude pair that I got last time that I worked with them in a nude color that I wear absolutely all the time. I'm very excited to share another piece that I chose from their current collection later on in the video. They're also offering a discount code for you, and I'll put the link in the description box below. Accessories in general have their practical side to them. They go way beyond the practicality aspect, not to mention the aesthetic aspect, but also they balance out, they complete the look, they enhance the look. They can also detract from the look when they are the wrong pieces. Of course, the first thing that comes to mind when you buy a belt is the practical aspect of it. You're thinking how it's gonna hold your pants. There's nothing wrong with that, of course. When you think of belts, you shouldn't only consider its practical aspect, but think about how it can add to the composition of the outfit and how it can elevate your favorite classics. But go one step further and think about how it can balance the proportions of the look, depending on how you place it. So for example, if your torso is looking too long because you're wearing a vest or a long blazer, you can add a belt to balance out the proportions. But you can also highlight your waist and tame an oversized shirt or a dress. Make sure your belts are in good conditions and have good quality to them, otherwise they can and will detract from the outfit. Of course, when you are looking for a belt, you have to get a quality one, but you don't need to spend a lot of money on a belt. Also, I would suggest try to avoid the ones with the big logo because they can get outdated pretty quickly. If you really want to invest in a designer belt, I suggest something more timeless, more elegant and less evident, like an Hermès, for example. And if you want something similar, but not necessarily with the same price tag, I've included some options in the description box below. Here in this look, I'm showing how a simple button-down shirt and jeans can be elevated just by adding a belt. This is perfect for when you want to keep things simple and you don't want to overdo it, but you still want to look put together. Remember, the right staples can really prove to be valuable to your outfit composition, so never underestimate the power of a belt. So when you're looking to make your accessories collection, think of pieces that ooze your personality and make it your trademark. Those pieces that people remember you by. This is a recent find that I got from a high street store. I don't even know the name of the store. I paid $20 for this belt and I couldn't be happier. It's totally adjustable, which makes it so versatile to wear with your jeans or even over a jacket or a thick coat. I like belting dresses quite a lot as well to highlight my waist even further. A plain dress is somewhat uninspiring, but the minute you start accessorizing it, it gets completely transformed. A belt gives it a little bit more definition and that overall hourglass shape that's super flattering. And a scarf breaks the tonal look. I certainly don't have a perfect body, and like most women, have my own insecurities, but I've learned over the years to compensate that with the styling techniques that have proven to be very effective. I've also included some similar styles for you in the description box. It's amazing how the simple addition of accessories totally make an outfit more special. I couldn't leave bags out of this video, but I actually not gonna go into much details here because I did an entire video on bags recently, so you can go and check that out if you want to. But I'm showing you this bag that I got from VIVAIA from their current collection, the brand that I mentioned earlier in this video. I was pleasantly surprised that they make bags. I didn't realize that. And I was genuinely looking for a bag like that. The shape and the colors are perfect. I absolutely love how it feels, and it's completely washable. It's gigantic inside, and it's got a little pouch that I can put my little things, and I don't need to lose them anymore. It looks great with your jeans, but works equally well with a navy tonal look, which is perfect for the day-to-day. A nice watch should be an integral part of an outfit. If you're looking to look expensive, a watch is the perfect piece for that. But having so many pieces to choose from, it gets really daunting to find the right piece. One of the key factors that I take into account when I'm choosing my watches is the occasion. So if I'm looking for something more casual, for a day look, for example, I opt for pieces that have natural material to them, for example, like a leather strap. The color depends on the outfit I'm wearing, but normally it's either brown or black. And if I'm wearing something smart, I reach out to my elegant piece. So if you're considering adding some color to your outfit, but you're not quite sure of how, adding a scarf is a safe way to start doing so. Because scarves are normally worn around your neck, you should choose your most flattering colors and avoid the colors that wash you out. If you don't know your personal colors yet, I made an entire video on the topic. A scarf should be the focal point of your outfit. Opt for classic prints like polka dots, stripes, or paisleys. And if you do so, avoid clashing prints with your outfit. There are ways to work around clash prints, but it's not easy to pull off. So ear more for the conservative side and pair it with neutral solid colors for the rest of your outfit. I personally like smaller pieces, and then I just do a simple knot the French way. But obviously you can wear a larger piece and do more elaborate knots if you're skillful at that. The key is just to have fun with it. Scarves don't need to be limited to the neck though. Here you can express your creativity. You can even embellish your bag or wear as a belt or on your wrist or anywhere that you like actually, or even in your head. So make sure it's you though. If it has to do with your personality, go for it. If you think it's a bit of a stretch, just stick to what you're comfortable with. Don't need to overthink it. Accessories are the icing on the cake. They highlight your personality and make you stand out, as long as they resonate with you. And that's why it's so important to find the right pieces for you. If I ever had to pick one type of jewelry, it had to be the one that resembles the real jewelry, especially as I get older. As I simply cannot see myself wearing custom jewelry, feathery, acrylic, big, bold, colorful things. They're just not my thing. Actually, there was a time for that, which doesn't mean that there's no room for some bold pieces when the occasion calls. I got these earrings a couple of years ago, and I got compliments each and every time. They're the perfect piece to elevate a single LBD, or even when I want to elevate my jeans and I don't want to make a big effort. When you wear a piece like that though, make sure you make it shine and don't wear other pieces that would compete with it. Keep the rest simple. I even eliminate other pieces. I just wear a watch with it and nothing else. Accessories are completely personal. Here I'm just giving you some suggestions and guidelines. At the end of the day, you have to find the pieces that make your heart sing. That's why you should take your time and do your search, or alternatively, watch my channel and buy the pieces that I suggest for you. That's my easy guide on how to accessorize for those who are starting the art of accessorizing. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to let me know which your favorite accessories is in the description box below. It's always lovely to hear from you. The weather has been miserable lately, so luckily today there's a bit of sunshine coming through, and I'll get out and get myself a little bit of a sunshine. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a great week. Take care. Bye.